Obviously, I am no meteorologist and do not claim to be, but we should caution ourselves and be prepared for this storm that could potentially happen, and by all estimates is going to happen. So, if you live in North Carolina, or actually, it's not just North Carolina, it's many states across the U.S. Everybody, please be safe. Take all the proper precautions. Get what you need to get. Prepare yourselves. Keep your family safe. Keep yourself safe. And do what you must do in order to prevent anything from happening that's within your own will.